to learn about decimal numbers. What are decimal numbers? Decimal numbers are based on the number 10. Decimal numbers have a point, which is called a decimal point, which looks like this. The decimal point is very important. It tells the exact position of each digit in the number. The decimal point goes at the right side of the unit digit. Let's look at the example. Let's say the number is 1,234. 1,234 is a whole number. Let's learn the positions of each digit first. 4 is in the ones place, which is a units place. 3 is in the tens place. 2 is in the hundreds place. And 1's in the thousands place. Now that we know all the positions for each digit, let's make a decimal number out of this. Where do we put the decimal point? Do we put it before 1? Do we put it between 1 and 2? Do we put it between 2 and 3? Do we put it between 3 and 4? None of those places are right. It goes on the right side of 4, which is here. Then let's write the rest of the number. 5, 6, 7. Let's learn the positions for each digit in this part. 5 is the first digit after the decimal point. See? 1. So 5 is in the 10th place. 6 is the second digit after the decimal point. See? 1, 2. So it's in the 100th place. 7 is the third digit after the decimal point. See? 1, 2, 3. So 7 is in the 1000th place. If there's another digit, it would be in the 10,000th place. Now that we know all the positions for each digit, let's write it in a word form, the number in the word form. It's going to be 1,000 200 34 and 500 60 7,000. Here's the word form. And means decimal point. And the first part before and is this part. And the second part after and is this part. There's one more thing I need to tell you. If the decimal number is less than 1, like for example 0.35, 0.35 is not the appropriate way to write it. 0.35 is the appropriate way to write it. So if the decimal number is less than 1, you always put a 0 in the units place, in the units digit, like we did here. 0.35 is not the appropriate way to write it. Today we learned about decimal numbers. Decimal numbers is base of the number 10. Thank you for watching.